Welcome to inbox.jalpi.com. Filtered alias inbox with a familiar Gmail experience. Manage multiple email aliases without the clutter of mixed inboxes. Each alias has its own filtered view, so you always know which address received the email and reply from the correct alias. Everything stays properly threaded with clean draft and reply handling. All this comes in a familiar, Gmail-like interface, easy to use from day one. To use the inbox.jalpi.com email service, the first and most important step is to create a Gmail alias. Inbox.jalpi.com works only when your Gmail alias is already created and verified. Start by opening your Google Workspace admin account. From the admin dashboard, click on the admin option. Inside the admin panel, navigate to Users. Click on Manage to view all users. Now, open the user account for which you want to create an email alias. On the user information page, locate the alternate email or email alias section. Click on Edit. Enter the new alias email ID. Press Enter and click Save. Your Gmail alias is now successfully created. Next, open the main user's account in which the alias was created. Open Settings. Click on See All Settings. Go to the Accounts tab. Here, add the newly created alias email address. A confirmation email will be sent to your primary Gmail account. Open the email and click the verification link and click on the Confirm button. Once verification is complete, refresh the page. You will now see your newly created email alias listed in the inbox dashboard. All emails sent to this alias will start appearing here automatically. Let's now see how to use inbox.jalpi.com for smart email filtration and management. Open inbox.jalpi.com. To get started with Inbox, first you need to create your account. Fill in all the required details such as your username, email address, and password. After entering the information, click on Create Account to complete the registration process. Once your account is successfully created, click on Sign In here. Enter your registered username and password, then click on the Sign In button. After logging in, go to the menu and open the Manage Alias page. Here, you will find the option to create your alias. To start, click on Add your first account to connect your Gmail account. Enter your main Gmail email ID, the one under which your aliases are created. Next, enter your display name and email address. If you want to create a separate alias user, you can also add a username and password to create an alias user account. After that, go to Quick Setup. Select the Gmail option and click on the OK button. The SMTP and IMAP configuration details will be filled automatically. For the SMTP and IMAP password creation process, we have already provided a separate video. You can follow that video to generate your SMTP and IMAP password. Now, in the IMAP settings, enter the same password and complete all the required details. Finally, click on Add Email Account to complete the email account creation process. Then, you need to create your user alias. Click on Add Alias button. First, enter the alias name and alias email address. After that, in the option given below, create a secure password for the user. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Create User Alias button. That's it. Your user alias will be created successfully in the dashboard. Here, you can view email activity trends for the last 30 days. The dashboard shows main user details, active alias, and service health status. At the bottom, you can see the connection status of all linked email accounts. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your entire system. In Manage Users section, here, you can view all users in the user list, including their username, email, role, and status. To add a new user, click on Create New User. Enter the user details and click on Create Account. The new user will appear in the list instantly. In the Profile section, you can view your account information. From here, you can also reset your account password. Managing your account just got easier. With Delegate Access, you can securely grant access to trusted team members without sharing your login details. Simply add a delegate, choose the permissions you want to assign, and grant access in just click. All delegates can be viewed in one place, where permissions can be edited or access removed anytime. With the right permissions, users can seamlessly switch to admin access. From the inbox, click Go to Admin to enter the admin panel instantly. Here, users can view their assigned permissions, access the dashboard, and manage users or alias only within the access granted. Next, we'll walk through the alias inbox and see how alias emails are managed from one place. Inbox gives you a single place to view and manage all emails sent to your email address. From here, you can compose new emails, reply to mails, or forward emails to others, just like a regular Gmail inbox. You get familiar, Gmail-like options such as Inbox, Starred, Sent, Drafts, Junk, Archive, and Deleted, making navigation simple and intuitive. You can mark emails as read or unread, archive messages, or report spam directly from the inbox. You can also search emails quickly to find specific messages whenever needed. If you need to reset your account password, you can do so easily. All essential email actions available in one organized inbox. Thank you for watching inbox.jalpi.com. We hope this platform helps you manage your emails more efficiently.